Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make that accent braid, and it's just up the front like this. Make a triangle on either side, and that's our section. Brush it backwards, break into 3 strands, and start doing a regular braid. And you want to make this braid really tight and pull it back the direction that you're going as you're braiding. This is the simplest part about the hairstyle. Once I get the end, I pull it taut and make sure I'm at the base of my neck. I'm going to separate the 3 strands, and I'm going to clip 1 strand over to my left side and leave 2 on the right. These 2 on the right are going to make up 2 of the strands of 3. That's going to start my Dutch braid going upwards. Again, brush your hair the direction that you want it to go. I've got 1 from the base of my neck and 2 from that braid for a total of 3. I'm going to pull these pretty tightly here and do more than 1 row of stitches to really anchor this into place at the bottom. If I don't, then it flops around and slides from one side to the other, and that's not what you want. Once that's fairly secure, you can start gathering in hair into each strand to make this a Dutch braid. With each stitch, I'm going to grab just a little hair, not a big chunk. I want some small pieces because that way I'm going to have a lot more detail. And the more detail that you have towards the bottom, the better this is going to look. Again, pull your braid fairly tightly here as you're braiding upwards because we're going to be loosening it up a little bit when we pancake the braid, and if it's too loose already, it'll just look like a big, loose, undefined braid instead of a good structure to it like we want. We're going to make 1 high pigtail. I'm using a cloth elastic here. It gives me a lot of stability without damaging my hair. Now once I have that in place, now it's time to make the messy bun. Or you can hold that to the side and braid the other side, whichever you think that your arms are ready for. So again, I have that 1 strand of hair from the accent braid left over. I'm going to gather some hair from the bottom, break that into 2. Now I have a total of 3. Again, going to braid these very tightly together with more than 1 stitch to really anchor that before I start Dutch braiding. If you're seeing part of your scalp like I am here, just take a comb and brush it towards the center, and that helps hide it really nicely. Now it's time to pancake the braid. This is kind of difficult to do unless you have 2 mirrors that are stationary. If you have to hold a hand mirror like I am here, it makes it a little bit more difficult because 2 hands are definitely better. So you can have 1 hand pressing down on the braid, making sure it stays into place, and the other can flare out each petal. Now it's time to do the messy bun. Pull the hair through once completely, twist the elastic around, pull it through most of the way, and then halfway through. And it's just a matter of arranging it into place now and pinning it down. I have found that I need more than 4 pins to hold each messy bun into place, that I probably did not position the hair in the way that it naturally wants to lay, and I need to rewrap it. So if you're just struggling with trying to get it to anchor on down, maybe just take it all apart and try again. Now you just need accessories if you want those, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that I did credit to the original artist. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next week.